90 days painting challenge. So if you want to know what's this 90 days painting challenge and how it started, please check out my first video in this series. So just to give a brief overview, I split these 90 days into 13 different weeks, and each week had a theme. So the first week was water, the second week was food, and the third week was light, followed by superheroes in the fourth week. After that, it was pop art portraits. Then it was animal. So I actually used 4 books for these 90 days. So this is animal week. Then it was anime week. After that, it was transparent week where I chose different still life objects to paint. Then it was landscapes. Few beautiful paintings in this week. You can check that out as well. And after that, in the last week, or in the last 2 videos, we covered mythical creatures and horror. There's a funny story of how I changed the week theme midweek from horror to babies. So you can check out that video and let me know your thoughts. And now we are into the penultimate week, or the 12th week of my 13-week or 90 days painting challenge. And 12th week is, I would like to call this as watercolors or watercolor wonders or splash wonders. So this is where I try to not have so much detail but just use the watercolors and make those colors form the shapes or the textures I'm planning them to be. So the focus of this theme is the wonders of the world and using lesser detail, as less detail as possible. So that's how it started to be with the Great Wall of China. Then we had Statue of Liberty, the gift from France to America. Then we have the Pyramids of Egypt. So this is one cute painting, I would say, because it just lies in center of the page, and the contrasting blues and browns with pyramids in the center looks simple, beautiful, and elegant. With that, I think I finished my third book as well. Let's move ahead to book number 4. So we have the Colosseum from Rome. This also, if you see, there's like watercolor spread out across the page and with just 2 shades, like the blue for the sky and the brown shades of brown for the structure. So that's it. No major detail, just simple watercolor work. After that, we have this famous bridge. So this has few more colors compared to the other paintings, but since it is colorful and it is vibrant, it deserves that totally. Finally, we have the Eiffel Tower. Of course, this should have color because it's a symbol of love, and with love, everything is colorful. So this turned out pretty well. So even if you see the trees, I did not try to give so much detail. Even the tower is hazy and not detailed. The foreground, the background, everything is like water is just spreading, or hazy kind of look is what I try to get over here. And the next painting is Christ the Redeemer from Rio de Janeiro. So that's how it was a pretty simple, short, and easy week, and that's how it ended. Week number 12, and we have literally just 1 week left, and I covered few masterpieces, timeless classics in that week. To check that out, please visit my channel and check out that video. Thank you so much.